Change directory to previous directory in PowerShell. I am a Linux guy, but I'm trying to be open-minded and learn some PowerShell. I miss the ability to cd back to a previous directory, like in Nix shells. Is there a similar command in PowerShell, one that would allow me to return to my previous directory?
I've had differing luck with cd // even though it should work. Pushed and popped have been around a long time and do the job nicely, but I wasn't sure if they were officially supported in PowerShell. I've just discovered they are actually aliases to push location and pop location, so are current and supported. Seems to be the best way to go. This URL. Previous suggested of using aliases to swap out the standard cd command are a good idea, but in scripting I'm just using the real kubelet name for clarity. Example of what works. Returns me to be : /my folder /miss upfolder /. Example of what does not work. Fails, requires the change in drive back to the where it was pushed. Push location and pop location appears to be LIFO, last in first out.
Just tried cd on PowerShell Core 6.2.2, and it works. Smile. cd takes you back through your location history. cd+ takes you forward through your location history.
Not in exactly the same fashion that I am aware of. One option is to use pushed instead of cd. Then popped will take you back. You could also change your profile so that whenever a new prompt comes up, basically whenever you hit enter, it would get the PWD and compare that to the previous one. If they are different, then put that value onto a stack. Then you would include another function in your profile called something like cdb that would pop the last item off the stack and cd to it. This sounded like fun, so I came up with a solution. Put all this code into your profile, about_profiles. Now you can cd just like normal, and bd will take you back on location in your location history.
I've modified a Green's Great script so that cd will always take you to your previous directory instead of reversing through your history. This way, using cd multiple times will toggle between two directories, which is what cd does on Unix shells. Oh, and I had to change the prompt color to green. Smile.